Hey everyone, so today I am going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io for mobile app sales. Whether you are selling app downloads, in-app purchases or subscriptions, InfinitePay.io provides a secure and efficient way to handle your transactions. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the mobile app sales section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to your mobile app sales. Now to set up payment processing, integrate InfinitePay.io with your app's payment system or online store. Follow the integrations documentation or use the API provided by InfinitePay.io. Now configure your payment options by linking your app sales business to InfinitePay.io. Set up payment methods such as debit and credit cards and adjust your transaction settings to suit your sales model. Create and manage payment requests, invoices or payment links for your mobile app purchases through InfinitePay.io. Now you can even track and manage payments through the InfinitePay.io dashboard, monitor your payment status and address any issues that arise. Ensure that your payment system complies with financial regulations and provides secure transactions for your app users. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io for mobile app sales. This platform helps you manage and process payments efficiently and securely for your mobile app sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.